Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be a very cool looking Zompiggy. So once again, here is my full pencil sketch, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. So this one is very easy to draw. The only tricky part is kind of like the skeleton arms that she's going to be holding. Alright, so we're going to start out with the snout area first. So we'll just draw in one circle. In the inside, we'll just draw in two little circles for the nostrils. So just come out to the side, just draw one, and then draw another one on the other side. And let me shade this in real quick so we can see this better. Alright, so now for the rest of the head, we're going to be able to see part of the skeleton inside. So we're going to draw it this way, just right on top of the circle. We're going to go up, make a little point, and then we're going to draw one big circle, just go all the way around this little snout area. So just kind of follow that circle inside. Just stop halfway, so we're just drawing like a half circle. Okay, and then from here, go back to the top here. We're gonna extend this, just come down a little bit more. And then on the bottom here, go out a little bit more. Okay, so now once we have this arc, we're gonna connect it to the snout right here. So just kind of come down and just zigzag. And then we'll connect somewhere, anywhere around here. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. Okay, and then from the bottom here, again, just zigzag. Just connect to the snout. So it's almost kind of like a cracked egg. Alright, so once we have this, we're gonna draw the inside, and this one's gonna be a little bit smaller than the overall circle. So we'll start in here. We're just gonna draw in another circle inside. Just kind of follow this again. And you should end somewhere around here. Again, it's a little bit smaller than the outside. Alright, so now that we have the shape of the head, now let's go ahead and finish up the eye. So right here, just go out. Let's draw another circle. And then on the side here, just draw a little egg shape. A little cheek. And then inside here, if you want to add in a little detail right here, kind of like for the eye socket, just draw like a little egg shape right here. But don't connect it, just leave a little bit open space there. Alright, and then now for the ear, so this one's easy. Again, just right over the eye right here. Alright, so that's the head. And then now for the body, super easy. Just come out to the side right here. You make two little points. And we're gonna come down. We come down straight first. And then from here, we'll flare this out all the way down to the bottom of the gown. And then just come out to the middle right here. Just add one little curve like this first. And then now we'll just kind of connect this. Just kind of draw it with a smooth curve. So it makes it look like kind of like a flowing gown. And we can add in some lines. And even on the top here, we can add in a few lines like this to make it look like cloth. Okay, so now let's draw in her arm, and let's draw in this side first because this one's a little bit easier. So here's the armpit. Gonna come back up here for the shoulder. Gonna curve out, come back here, same thing here. And so this is gonna be the wrist. And then from here, we're gonna start on the inside. A little hook for the thumb. Start on the back here, continue the curve. Let's go all the way down. Just curve it and hook it back up. That's gonna give us the other fingers. Alright, so we're gonna leave it like that. And then now for the other arm. So again, come across, here's the armpit. We're gonna start up here on the shoulder. And this one's gonna go out because she's gonna be holding the skeleton arm. So we're gonna curve out. And then once you have this, curve in this way for the thumb. And then right below the thumb right here, just draw a little arc. Just kind of curve it and connect that. So that's gonna give us the other fingers, and it's gonna be gripping the little bone there. Okay, so once you have this shape, come back to the armpit, and we'll just curve and just connect that. Okay, and then now for the skeleton arm right here, the little bone, just draw two little lines here first. And then we're gonna continue that down. So that's gonna be the grip area. And then on the bottom here, just one little bump. Okay, so we're gonna go up. So on this part, just bracket out. Make it a little bit wider and then close it off. So this is gonna be a joint right here. So on the top here, another bracket. And then we're gonna come in. So it's pretty much the same as the bottom, just opposite. And then right here, we'll just continue this slant. Just go up. This is gonna be the wrist. Okay, we're gonna curve out for the thumb. Come back in. So the finger's a little bit sharper. And then now we start on the back here. Curve out. And then now whatever space you have here, this is gonna be sharp. Just come down and connect to this. And then let's add one more finger right behind. So just come out, nice and sharp, just come back in, just kind of taper it into this line. Alright, so that is it for this Zompiggy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.